My name is Rupesh Chauhan and my company name is Rabatex Industries.
Hi, I am Welding Patel, CTO of Powertrans Automation. We manufacture electrical and mechanical enclosures for.
Hello, I am Ratik Chand from Cosmos Insert India Limited.
We are in a textile industries and we have big manufacturing and fabrication facilities, CNC machine shops also. Actually, we are using FIXTO table last 3 years. Before using this table, we are facing many problems like distortion. But after the using of FIXTO table, we have found best result dimension wise, quality wise. This is the best benefit to using FIXTO table.
We use FIXTO modular tables for all our sheet metal fabrication work. FIXTO modular table has helped us a lot in improving the accuracy of.
We strongly recommend you to use this table for better quality.
I recommend it to all the Indian sheet metal fabricators around here. If you want to get some precise results with your welding works, I recommend FIXTO modular tables.
FIXTO!